Hello students, I expect that you all have understood the first chapter, that is internal hardware components. I expect that you are cleared with the summary video, and I even expect that you have completed your notes writing in your notebook. Okay, so now in this video I am going to start with the second chapter, that is number system. Okay, the chapter is a bit calculation chapter where you are supposed to do sums in this. Okay, but it is interesting if you understand the theory, how does the calculation work. Fine. So I'll start with the chapter number 2, that is number system. Okay, listen the video related to the theory part clearly, then later on the next videos we'll start solving the exercise parts, that is solving sums. Fine. So now I'll start with the chapter. Just understand the history part as well as the introduction part of this chapter. A computer is a man-made electronic machine. Everyone knows this. Yes, a computer is a man-made electronic machine. It does not recognize English or any other language that we speak. Always, yes, this also we know that computer is a machine which it will not understand the language where the normal human beings are speaking. It only understands two states, that is on and off. Yes, this also we know, as it is an electronic machine, it doesn't understand any languages which the humans speak, where the humans speak, but it only understands only two states, that is on and off. This is because a computer is a device powered by electricity. This is because a computer is a device which is working on electricity, and so it only understands two states, that is on and off. Cleared everyone? Yes. So as a computer is a man-made electronic machine, it will not understand any other languages which the users are speaking. It will only understand two states, that is on and off. As it is a computer is a device which is working on electricity, so it knows only two states, that is on and off. Clear? Next. What is on representing and what is off representing? Which digit is on representing and which digit is off representing? That you will be learning in the second paragraph. On and off can be easily represented by two digits, that is 0 and 1. Okay, that is 0 and 1. The digit 0 represents the off state of a computer. So the digit 0 represents off state of a computer and digit 1 represents the on state of a computer. This you are supposed to remember always. Okay, digit 0 represents the off state and digit 1 represents the on state. Cleared? Okay, once again I'll repeat. On and off can be represented by two digits, that is 0 and 1. 0 represents the off state of a computer, and 1 represents the on state of a computer. Clear? Next slide. Introduction to binary numbers. We will just give an introduction to binary numbers. Okay. You know that we count decimal systems which includes 10 digits. Okay, you all know that we count in decimal systems which includes 10 digits, that is from 0 to 9. 0 to 9. However, The computer uses binary system. I just now told you computer only understand the state of on and off. Okay, wherein which on is represented by 1 digit and off is represented by 0 digit. Okay, so however computer uses binary number system, that is 2 numbers. Okay, it just understand 2 states, on and off. The binary number system is a number system that uses 2 unique digits, only 2 digits, that is 0 and 1. Whereas a decimal systems uses 10 digits, that is from 0 to 9. But here computer uses binary number systems, that is 0 and 1. These numbers are called as bits. 0 and 1 is called as bit. Bit is the short for binary digit and is the smallest unit of data in this system that the computer can represent. Okay, it can represent. So understood this? Binary system means it only consists of 2 digits, that is 0 and 1, and this 0 and 1 is called as a bit. Bit is the short of binary digit and is the smallest unit of the data in this system that the computer can represent. Clear? Any doubt till here? Next. 8 bits make a byte. 8 bits make a byte. You will learn this in the further slides. What is a bit? What is a byte? Okay, all this you will be learning in the further slides. Okay, so now 8 bits make a byte. A byte gives enough combinations of zeros and ones to represent 256 individual characters. Okay, 8 bits, 1 bit means 0 and 1. 8 bits makes a byte. 8 bits makes a byte. A byte gives the enough combination, that means a combination of zeros and ones to represent 256 individual characters. These characters include numbers, uppercase and lowercase alphabets, punctuation marks, other characters such as letters of Greek alphabet. Okay, so now 1 bit consists of 0 and 1. 8 bits consist of 1 byte. A byte gives the combination of zeros and ones to represent what? 256 characters. These characters consist of numbers, uppercase and lowercase letters, punctuation marks and other characters or the letters of the Greek alphabet. Okay. Now, which type of 256 characters it will consist? Okay. All characters in computers such as the alphabets or symbols are assigned to a numeric code which varies from 0 to 256. What is there in this 0 to 256 characters, you will be thinking. So, it consists of alphabets, symbols, etc., which is assigned to a number code, numeric code, okay, which varies from 0 to 256. And this code is called as ASCII code. This code is called as ASCII code. All characters between 0 to 256 is been given in the form of numeric code, is been assigned to the numeric code, and this code is called as ASCII code. So, what is ASCII code full form? That is American Standard Code for Information Interchange. American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Is that clear to all? Yes. Once again, I'll repeat the first slide and second slide. Understand properly. Computer don't understand the human languages. It will only understand two states, that is on and off. Okay, whenever and the computer works on electricity. If the electricity is on, that means the computer is on the on state, and if the electricity is off, that means the computer is in the off state. Okay, and this on and off is represented by two digits, that is 1 and 0. 1 represents on of the computer, 0 represents off of the computer. Okay, now we are giving an introduction of binary numbers. As computer understand only on and off, that is it consists of only two digits, that is 0 and 1. This 0 and 1 is your binary number system. This 0 and 1 is your binary number system. Okay, and this 0 and 1 is called as a bit. It is called as a bit. Okay, 1 byte makes 8 bits. 1 byte makes 8 bits. A byte gives the combination of zeros and ones. A byte gives the combination of zeros and ones, and that is represented in 256 characters. That is represented in 256 characters. Okay, this characters includes the numbers, uppercase and lowercase alphabets, punctuation marks, and other characters as the letters of the Greek alphabets. All the characters in a computer consist of alphabets, symbols, etc., which is assigned to a numeric code which varies from 0 to 256. What is there in this 256 characters? It consists of alphabets, symbols, or many much more etc. characters, which is given to a numeric code. Okay, which is given to a numeric code, and this code is called as ASCII code, that is American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Cleared? Then the next slide. Let us understand binary representation. I just now told you, I will let you know in my next slide what is a bit, what is a byte, and what is a nibble. Okay, so just look into this carefully. A bit is the smallest unit of binary representation. A bit is the smallest unit of binary representation. A computer understands only binary digits, that is 0 and 1. The word bit has been derived from the word binary digit. Okay, so if you go through with the words binary digit, if you go through with the words binary number system, that means it consists of a smallest unit called as bit, and that is only the numbers called as 0 and 1. 0 and 1. Okay, can you see this tabular? Okay, bit means only one block. This is a bit, either 0 or either 1. 1 bit. This is also a bit, either 0 or 1. So here, in which state is the computer now? Whether it is off or on? It is on. In this block, it is off. Again, it is on, off, off, on. So one single block is called as a bit, that may either be 0 or 1. Clear? Yes. Next comes byte. A group of 8 bits. Okay, a group of 8 bits. How many bits are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, a group of 8 bits is known as a byte. Here also in the previous slide, I have told you In the previous slide I have told you 8 bits make a byte. 8 bits make a byte. Yes. So 8 bits make a byte. With a byte, a computer can represent up to 256 different values. In this I told you just now. With a byte of combination of zeros and ones represent 256 individual characters. Same thing. We can count from 0 to 255 with 8 bits. Okay, we can count from 0 to 255 with 8 bits. Cleared? Any doubt till here? Yes? Once again I will repeat, just look into. Bit is the smallest unit of binary representation. It understands only either 0 or 1. A bit has been derived from the word binary digit. Just see the tabular format. Only one block which either represents 0 or 1 is called as a bit. One block. Okay. Byte means a group of 8 bits. Group of 8 bits is called as a byte. With a byte, a computer can represent up to 256 different values, wherein which we count from 0 to 255 in 8 bits. Clear? Okay. Nibble. Nibble is a new word that you are listening. Nibble means it is made up of 4 bits, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. It is represented by 4 bits. 1, 2, 3, 4. We can also say that a nibble is half of a byte. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is a byte. Only one block is a bit. Okay, whereas nibble means half of your byte. That is only 4 bits. 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear? Okay. This much did you understand? Here I stop with my video. In my next video, I will start with the number system. Okay. I expect that you understood with my slides which I have covered right now. That is the first introduction part of number system, the introduction part of binary numbers and binary representation. Okay. Till then, in the next video, I will start with your number system. Till here, I will stop it. Thank you.